Hi there, how you all doing? On the Walk of Flame today, I'm cooking a dish I've never even tasted, let alone cook. I can't possibly get it wrong. This dish was created in the deep south of the USA. Now I'm a little bit confused. I have stood at the southernmost point of the United States of America in Key West, and yet I'm told that Florida isn't in the deep south. I don't get it. If anyone can enlighten me, just click that button, activate and ding the bell, and let me know in the comments box below. I saw this recipe in a newspaper and thought that looks really good. And then I noticed it was written by a guy whose name was Orlando. I thought, hey, there's another of my memorable visits to the USA. So let's get cooking. To make this recipe, you're going to need
2 rashers of smoked streaky bacon cut into small pieces, 2 chicken thigh fillets cut into bite-sized pieces. The recipe called for 2 chorizo sausages. Couldn't get any, so I have diced chorizo. The trinity: 1 small onion chopped, 1 stick of celery thinly sliced, a half of green pepper de-seeded and thinly sliced, 125 grams of easy cook long grain rice, 1 clove of garlic grated, 175 ml of chicken stock, and a can of chopped tomatoes, plus 2 teaspoons of Creole style seasoning. And I almost forgot, 150 grams of extra large king prawns.
You can buy Creole seasoning ready-made, or you can make it yourself. It's very easy. Just have a look at my short form video on this channel to see how it's done.
The recipe says, first have a cold beer. Well, I'm lighting my Weber Q, and then I'll have a cold beer whilst it warms up. I've been off alcohol for some time now. This one, Ghost Chip, is just 0.5% and it tastes really good. Cheers! With the pan nice and hot, I'm adding about a tablespoon of olive oil. Close the lid for a minute or 2. Time to sizzle the bacon, chicken and chorizo. Give it a stir and let it cook for a few minutes. I'm adding just a pinch of the Creole seasoning and cooking until browned, about 4 minutes. Now remove the bacon, chicken and chorizo from the pan to a plate and set aside. To the hot oil remaining in the pan, add the trinity: onion, celery and pepper. Season well and fry over a medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes until golden at the edges and well softened. Now to grate the garlic. I've said it before, this little garlic grater does a brilliant job. Brush in the garlic, stir and sizzle for about a minute. Add the rice the remaining Creole seasoning, and the stock. Well, I forgot to open the can. Now I'll add the tomatoes and give it all a stir. With it all combined, I'm adding the bacon, chicken and chorizo and any juices on the plate. Close the lid and cook for 20 to 25 minutes on a medium heat until the chicken is cooked through and the rice is tender. I've prepared a garnish of salad onions, flat leaf parsley and lemon wedges. Now turn off the heat. It's still cooking. Stir in the prawns until they're all well coated. Close the lid and leave for about 5 minutes. The prawns are cooked, they just need to warm through. Time to remove from the grill and decorate with the garnish. I really wish you could smell the aroma that's rising from this pan. My mouth's watering already. And that's it. Jambalaya, with thanks to Orlando Muri.
I've had many memorable meals in the USA. Memorable not only for their taste, but also the generous portions served. But somehow, this one seems to escape me. Now, if there's anything you'd like to tell me about this video, just click the button, activate and ding the bell, and leave your comment in the box below. And don't forget, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Now, here's the recipe recap.
And it's time to plate up. That looks good. Not only does it look good, it's smelling good too. Another prawn? Yeah, go on. The moment I've been waiting for. Dig in. Mwah!
It looks good, it smells good, but does it taste good? You bet it does. And that's all for now. So from me, the dude with the food, the old geezer at the grill, it's goodbye and thanks for watching.